With Ukraine continuing to use their guided bombs, it offers the capability to strike more fortified structures or positions, with Ukraine soon to receive the F-16, helping them to expand this capability and make it more of a frequent weapon system, most likely needing a lot more guided bombs in the future, being able to target strongholds or, as seen here, buildings used as drone operation bases. Being able to take out the position quickly and effectively, hard to match with any other weapon system, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.